Sure, here is a 700-word script on the 2026 Mazda RX-8, starting with "Welcome to Scout Automobile" and written in a natural, engaging tone, suitable for a YouTube video or podcast. Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated return to the Mazda lineup, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. After years of rumors, concepts, and whispers in the enthusiast community, it looks like the Rotary-powered icon is officially making a comeback. And it's coming back with a modern twist that blends the essence of the original RX-8 with the technology and performance standards of today's era. First, let's talk design. The 2026 RX-8 is nothing short of a visual masterpiece. Drawing inspiration from the original RX-8's bold, coupe-like proportions, Mazda has sculpted the new model with smooth, flowing lines and a low, aggressive stance. The signature rear-hinged, freestyle doors make a return, maintaining that unique RX-8 character while adding improved functionality and structural integrity. The front fascia is sleeker than ever, with slim LED headlights, a more pronounced grille, and aerodynamic intakes that not only look aggressive, but serve a purpose in cooling and efficiency. Underneath that sculpted hood lies the heart of the RX-8's revival, the Rotary engine. But this isn't the same Renesis you remember from the early 2000s. Mazda has re-engineered the Rotary for the modern age. The 2026 RX-8 uses a next-generation twin-rotor setup, now paired with a mild hybrid system. This powertrain delivers around 350 horsepower, while keeping emissions and fuel consumption in check, two of the biggest issues that plagued the previous generation. The addition of the hybrid system helps improve torque delivery at lower RPMs and provides smoother acceleration, solving the low-end power lag that older Rotary engines were known for. In terms of performance, Mazda has gone all out. The new RX-8 rides on a lightweight rear-wheel drive platform developed specifically to support the Rotary hybrid setup. Weight distribution is nearly 50-50, ensuring that classic Mazda handling DNA remains intact. The suspension has been finely tuned for both spirited driving and everyday usability. Whether you're carving through back roads or cruising through the city, the RX-8 feels planted, responsive, and precise. Mazda has also given attention to driver engagement. A 6-speed manual transmission is available, much to the delight of purists. For those who prefer convenience, a paddle-shifted 8-speed automatic is offered as well. Steering is sharp and communicative, and the chassis tuning feels tailored for drivers who appreciate feedback and control. Inside the cabin, the 2026 RX-8 offers a blend of simplicity and sophistication. The layout is driver-focused, with a minimalist dashboard that houses a digital instrument cluster and a wide infotainment screen running Mazda's latest software. Material quality has seen a big step up, with leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum used throughout. Seating is 2+2, just like the original, but rear passenger space has been slightly improved thanks to smarter packaging. Tech features are in line with modern expectations. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a heads-up display. Despite the performance focus, Mazda hasn't ignored comfort or safety. It's a well-rounded package that feels premium but remains rooted in the car's performance heritage. Now, let's talk pricing. Mazda has positioned the new RX-8 as a halo car, something to showcase its innovation and celebrate its legacy. That means it won't be cheap, but it won't break the bank either. Starting prices are expected to be in the mid-$40,000 range, with higher trims pushing closer to $50,000. For what you're getting, a unique Rotary hybrid powertrain, a manual transmission option, beautiful design, and daily usability. It feels like solid value. More than just specs and features, the 2026 RX-8 marks an emotional return. It's a symbol of Mazda's commitment to building cars for enthusiasts. In a world increasingly dominated by crossovers and autonomous tech, the RX-8 doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It knows its audience, those who love the thrill of driving, who appreciate engineering quirks, and who crave something different. The Rotary engine may have had its challenges, but it also built a legacy. And now, that legacy continues, refined, reimagined, and ready for the future. Mazda hasn't just resurrected the RX-8. they've evolved it. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as we are about the 2026 Mazda RX-8, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. This is Scout Automobile, and we'll see you on the next drive.